Hey guys, Fliz here again. We're back, episode 2. I'm gonna attempt to rebuild these bumpers. So I got myself some fiberglass kit and a bumper repair kit, and we are going to attempt to repair these bumpers. Here's a little kit I've got. Stage 1 fiberglass repair kit. Fiberglass, resin, hardener, little pot, mixing, stirring, all that good stuff. That's gonna be the first part of it. And as you remember from yesterday, we're going to try and repair all of this here. So all of this is going to get repaired nicely. We're going to try and glue these little things back on. They're going to get stuck back on down there like that. We're going to try and stick those back on, and then the same on this side. We've got to try and stick all this back together, and we've got to repair that crack from the inside. So once all that crack's repaired, I've taped it up on this side so it's not going to move. And after we've done all that, we are then going to move on to the plastic bumper repair kit, which I will show you what's in that box when we get there. Now I'm going to set the camera up, do some mixing, and hopefully get these bits stuck onto the bumper. Just a small note for you guys. Glass fibre or fiberglass doesn't stick to whatever these bumpers are made of. And I think these bumpers are made of polypropylene or something, some crap like that. But I'll tell you what does stick it together, and I'll show you on the next clip. A hot glue gun. So you see this stuff? Up yours, your crap. Managed to get these little guys stuck back on. A little bit of hot glue. Hot glue isn't the best to use, but it gets the job done. That's all glued on there now. As you can see, the resin is still stuck on the inside of the bumper. But yeah. Oh, wrong light. Doesn't look too bad. And then the same on this side. All glued in together, all nicely glued in. With any luck, that should work. But that is completely and totally solid now. It won't move. So that's good. And the crack from the outside, I'll put some tape on it just to just to keep it in one place. But we take the tape off. Bit. Oh, tape's not coming off. Awesome. Come off. Oh, so hard to do with one hand. There you go, and there's the crack, guys. Completely solid and in one place. We're going to sand all that down, get some filler on that, smooth it all out, make it look nice, and I will show you the front bumper shortly. So what we're going to be using to repair the outside of the bumper is a plastic bumper repair kit, which comes with mixing sheet and spreader, some plastic bumper filler and hardener, a tack cloth, some assorted sandpaper, a packet of solvent wipes, some gloves, some multi-purpose primer. So I'm going to get that put on the bumper, get it all ready. Got them all nicely prepped, sanded down. That's the crack now on the rear bumper. I had some glue and stuff up this end, so I've just sanded that down as well to make it smooth. Moving over to the front bumper, the crack is now all glued, all done, lovely. And there was another little crack just up there that we're going to repair as well, and that's the one on the front. So I'm going to mix up some smuts, we'll throw it on and I'll show you the result. Have a confession to make. I may have got a little bit carried away, sanded the bumper down and primed it. A little bit of a bump still there that needs a little bit more filler just there. If it's gonna focus. There you go. Need a little bit more filler just there in the middle of the screen, just there on that crack. It's also cracked just down there again. But other than that, it's looking all right. And here's the other one. Is it going to focus? And here's the other one. No crack in it at all. Again, a little bit more filler, sand it down, and it'll be good as new. And here we go. This is the rear bumper, totally primed, ready for top coat. And if we move over here, the front bumper is all done now. This has got a coat of primer on it, and I will be putting another coat of primer on it prior to top coat. And there we have it, bumpers are repaired, waiting for paint. So come back next time, we'll be doing some painting, we'll put some lacquer on them, refit them to the car and have a look and see what they look like. As if my painting skills are, you know, up to the job. Anyway, if you've got any comments, drop them down below. If you've liked this video, click the like button, share it with a mate if you feel like it, and until next time, bye.